All right, Frosty, you gotta do this just like I taught you, okay? 1, 2, 3. No, that's the wrong song. It's not the right song. You're fired. What we were supposed to say was, today on Make, Shape, Create,
we're gonna take these supplies
to make these Christmas centerpieces.
Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Make, Shape, Create. So we're actually gonna do a Christmas build-off from the dollar store. So I actually got a couple nutcrackers, these little gift ornaments, snow tree, battery-operated lights, and a plate to put everything on. So let's get started.
And a star thing.
Oh yeah, and my star tree topper. I forgot about that. But yes, let's get started. So first things first is I took the artificial snow. This is a pretty big sheet, but I'm actually going to double it because it is kind of see-through. But I'm going to put that, all right, star needs to move. I'm going to put that over this pretty plate. I know it's gold and it's pretty, but you know what? This is getting covered because I'm going to make a snow scene. And then I'm putting the artificial tree and then the nutcrackers. You'll see. It's going to look really cool. I'm kind of excited. All right, so first things first, I got to cut out the artificial snow. So let's do that first. Alright, so now I'm actually going to glue the tree to the plate. So I'm going to use a super glue on the feet. Ooh, a little too much, but that's okay. Comes out faster than I thought.
You want me to do the other?
Yeah, if you can spray it for me.
All right, so this is Insta-Set, and basically this makes the super glue kick, like, immediately. There you go.
Ready?
Make sure you get it where you want it. Should be able to let go.
Okay.
You're done. Just like that. This stuff's worth it. It kind of smells rosy, but it's worth it. Then you don't have to sit there and hold it for 20 minutes. Yeah, it's really strong and rosy.
All right.
You alright, sweetie? It's powerful.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some little bit of super glue on the base just to get the plate and the snow to stick. There we go. And now that covers the tree base. Now see how we have this little gap here?
They can't. Now they can.
Maybe I should. Stinks.
It doesn't stink. It's rosy.
All right. So I'm actually going to use some of this leftover, and I'm going to kind of make it look more like snow. So I want to put the nutcrackers kind of like next to the tree, but see how it's kind of, because it's a plate, it's sloping in and the nutcrackers aren't really straight and level. So we have these little pieces of scrap wood we're actually going to use. We're going to glue them down to the plate, and then we're going to go ahead and position the nutcrackers on top of that underneath the felt. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we're going to take these little presents, they're just little foam ornaments, and we're going to place them around the tree and around the base. Make it look like it's a Christmas tree full of stuff. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna string lights on the Christmas tree. So I'm actually gonna start at the top because I want the battery pack to be at the bottom. All right, so
there you go.
hide the battery pack.
So, I might be wrong, but it looks like you just got one thing left.
Yup. And you always leave your tree topper for last.
I don't. I put it on first, just to make her mad.
He does. It's not how you decorate a tree. Alright.
Well, I like finding out the ending and then working my way back to the beginning. That's how I write stories, too.
So, here we go.
Are you going to glue that on?
Nope.
Oh, okay. So.
And voila.
Well, there we go. That's hers.
And that is my dollar store centerpiece. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. I think it's cute. I think I would have should got more lights, though. Just a little bit. But that's okay.
Is it my turn?
It is your turn.
Yay. My turn. So, I'm doing mine a little differently. Just the symbol stuff, I'm going to modify some stuff. Because I'm difficult and I like being extra. So, I think where I want to start is I got this colander. And I need to cut this little tab off. So, could be that. Okay, so I'm going to start by gluing this to the center of the plate. To do that, I'm going to use same super glue and activator that Jess used on hers. It's going to be hard. I think that's centered.
It is and it is now.
Right? Okay.
Gosh, that stuff stinks.
I like it. It smells like roses.
Mm.
It does smell like roses, though.
It does smell like roses, but it's like strong.
Alright, so I got this, I don't know what this is. It's like
It looks like
tinsel
garland.
or garland or whatever. And my thought is, and I'm trying to figure out whether it'd be better to do this first or put this on first.
I'd put the bell on first.
You sure?
Yep.
Because I can kind of use this to hide the top.
Why are you trying to hide the top? The bell's going on top.
Right, to hide the top of this, I meant.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking
And
about?
of this, I meant.
Yeah.
Let me do that.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, here we go. Lots of glue. Already hot glue somewhere. Ow! Ow!
Well, stop doing that.
I just told you the reason why. Ow! I did the same spot. Ow! A third time. I need your help, honey. Can you hold that?
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to want to hold it like that. I had the Santa, motion controlled Santa, and a motion controlled Frosty, but the buttons are on the bottom, and so I want to glue them to the plate. So I'm going to drill a hole through the plate so that when they're attached to the plate, I can still get to the on and off switch.
All right.
So I switched Frosty to over here, and we're gonna take Santa. The problem I'm having with Santa is he's got feet, so I have to remove one of his feet. He's getting amputated. To put him over here because, as you see, the feet are keeping him from going all the way down. So we need to amputate Santa's feet. See, so much better. Now it sits right. Now you just need to drill a hole for this one.
Why don't you check first before you start hot gluing?
Because I have to put it in place first. Perfect. Alright, so what I did is I got this wreath, also from the dollar store. I used a pair of wire cutters to cut it because it was just a little too small, but then I can fill in the gap with the branches that come out. So, but before we do that, we need to wrap this in lights. So, here we go. So, we got these lights from, obviously, we got all this from the dollar store. These plug in. And this is supposed to be a centerpiece, and you're not exactly going to run a cord across your dining room table. So, they did have some battery-powered ones, but they only came in red, yellow, or blue. And I didn't want just one or two colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the battery packs from these. I've already marked the negative ones with a marker, so both of them are the same. And I'm going to tile them together into these wires and hopefully get these to be battery powered. Never done this before, so we're going to see if this works. Wish us luck. Well, the second one worked a lot better. First one's kind of a mess, but that's okay. I believe it'll work. All right, so we got it all soldered up. This is heat shrink tubing. You'll use this when you are wiring to cover it back up. And you can just use a heat gun to shrink it over it.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, moment of truth. Womp, womp, womp.
Well, that didn't work.
I wonder why. Wonder why it didn't work. Okay, so that idea didn't work. So now I'm just gonna be really nervous because now I need to wire the plug back on. Which should be the easy part. I feel like Tim Taylor from Home Improvement right now.
Oh dear.
I know, we need more power. No, I think I'm gonna abandon the lights. What do you think?
That's up to you.
I am. I think we're abandoning the lights.
Having troubles?
I am. Yep. The minute I think I get it off, I didn't. Oh. What I'm gonna do is this is gonna go around the perimeter of all this. And it's gonna just barely meet in the back, but that's okay. So now, lots and lots of hot glue. Hopefully I don't burn myself this time. Here we go. I did cover up his motion control thing. This is the one you give to people you don't like. It doesn't shut up. We're not even in front of it. Try not to move. It might go off. You're making it angry.
All right, guys, so this is it. These are our centerpieces that we end up with on our dollar store centerpiece build-off. Right?
Yep.
Okay. So here's Cory's. His is a feeling.
Mine's more of a feeling. Hers is a scene.
Mine's a scene.
Shut up, Frosty.
Frosty's really noisy. So just to warn you. Guys.
We're gonna start that last part over again. We're starting with this.
So if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified for our new videos. Also, follow us on social media at Make Shape Create on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And also, if you'd like to help us fund more videos like these, you can go ahead and hit us up at Patreon /Make Shape Create. See, look, I remembered. So this is it, guys.
Let us know in the comments which one you like better.
Yes.
Do you like hers better? Do you like the feeling with the angry snowman? Or do you like the
I love that
thing?
They're so cool.
This one. With the thing. And the lights. Mine would have been cool if the lights worked.
Yeah, it's true. That would have been really cool. But anyway, guys, we'll see you next week.
See ya.
See ya.